Alright guys, we are back here again. Nothing really happened. We're just freaking... He's not dead!
No! I told you we should have double checked! No! Oh, I'm probably gonna die.
Why would you...
Pimp slap.
Pimp slap.
That's what...
God dang it.
Am I dead? Now, remember the bazooka part in the helicopter?
On Resident Evil 5?
No, like one of our other games. It's not Resident Evil though.
Yeah, it was. It was Resident Evil.
It was?
Yeah, it was Resident Evil 5.
Oh, the girl!
Oh, she's back.
She helped us. Come on, just please help us. Come on. I need a bazooka. I have to blow her brains out right now. Wait! That shotgun is working for that girl, probably.
Maybe.
Because it's not attacking them.
Yeah.
Or the zombies.
Yeah, it was in Resident Evil 5.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yup! That guy works for her. No!
No!
Huh? What just happened? Was I supposed to...
I don't even know. I haven't played it.
Dang, brother, look how much we got.
Yep.
What's that supposed to happen?
I have no idea.
Earned a dog tag? Oh my god, my head's hurting. Oh my god. Can't believe they did that.
Oh my god.
You should have helped us.
She should have helped us. Alright, well, let's do this.
I'm gonna freaking pimp slap or jack slap or double freaking slap her.
Well, we're gonna slap her.
Or blow her brains out. Either way, it's gonna be awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Skill fitting? Woo! My head hurts so bad. That was rough. Like, seriously, the game is hard. God. Okay. Pretty sure they want us to go now. Like, go on to another part.
Just a second. I'm trying to find something.
Oh, hurry up. Is that the numbers? Is
Where's
that the price you have to pay?
Pistol? Where's Pistol?
FedEx?
I think so.
That's expensive. Some of them are 25,000. 2,000.
I don't know. I'm just gonna go with this one.
My right.
Alright. I'm gonna see your controller.
Do you have to do safe?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I'm just gonna put anything on for you.
Anything?
Yeah. Who cares? It's just something that we need to do.
Oh, ew.
Jake.
That does not look pretty.
It's
No,
Jake.
that's you, brother. You have the scar on the cheek.
Yeah, I know. That's Jake.
That's your name?
Yeah.
Oh. Months later, June 30th, 2013. Why is everything white?
Hmm.
Ooh, I like his mask.
It's so pretty.
I wonder where he got the scar from. Those masks are cool. Keep moving. Sorry, guys. Time to move. He missed every single shot. Oh! Sorry, guys. This is just awesome. Did you punch his head?
Yep.
Stupid. Where am I?
I don't know.
Back up. Is that in a hospital? Oh, I need a better shirt. Alright, where do I go?
I want hand
I can
to
get out
hand
of here.
combat. I like it.
So that I can get out of here. I'm stuck.
It's fine.
Oh, you have to get me? But look at my shirt. I need a new one. Hey, listen.
Hmm?
Sorry. Just ignore that noise. Someone's texting him.
Yeah.
Look, see, I need a better shirt.
Here we go.
6:15.
Sorry.
Is it powered?
There we go. Unlocked.
Oh, okay. Power in, unlock probably. Alright, come on. Good. Okay. Oh, what? Oh. Why do they need me? I probably like. This guy doesn't sound like a human.
He's not.
God, they even scared me so. Oh. Oh. Taser stick. Oh. Gotta hurt.
Alright, T, you have your weapon. Kill him.
That's like my favorite weapon now. Yeah, I need a new shirt.
Oops! It's fine. That's a good weapon.
Oh, did you see my move?
No, I'm just being
That was
loud.
awesome. Yeah, good move. I don't know where I'm going. Oh,
Why is everything so white?
my stuff isn't white. Like, unless we have regular color. I'm scared. I don't. Ah! I have too much freaking stuff for people on me.
Dude, I'm fighting with my fist.
Well, it's pretty hard because these people have like swords and taser sticks too.
And I do have superpowers, so it gives me...
I think I'm gonna die.
Don't die.
I'll try. But don't get mad at me if I do, okay? Like seriously, this is hard.
I know.
I'm weak. Look! I'm weak. I'm too weak.
Die.
Hey, you want to switch people, brother?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I think you might want now.
God. Mother.
Now where am I?
If I keep doing this, I'll be able to kill him. There we go. I'm still trying to find a way back to you.
I'm just going everywhere. So don't mind me.
You have a taser. You're lucky.
Well, it's actually hard.
A bit. Just go to the thing on your map.
I don't know where I'm going.
Just follow the white thing.
You serious?
Just kill him.
Alright, that's the
cool.
white thing. Don't do that to a lady!
So
Rude.
I'm right behind that door, so you're gonna need to help me.
Okay. Stop making that groove on me. Are you serious?
I'm supposed to be helping you right now.
Brother, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I was still trying to find which one you were in.